is my channel. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video and its content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for being loyal to my channel. And today I have something new to my channel. It is Chasin Unicorns. Don't know if I saw this being unboxed on somebody's channel or I just happened to stumble upon it on Cratejoy. But it sounded really good, and I just kind of wanted to mix up my boxes. I kind of narrowed down on the makeup boxes because I can't use all this makeup. But I still wanted to get some fun boxes. So this is a lifestyle box, and I will leave a link below, and the price will be across the screen. But the box was super plain. So I didn't want to just show the box because there was nothing on it. So let's get into it. There is a card and it says, "Welcome to Aries season." Is that what it says? It's hard to read, and of course you know I'm blind. I know that I so can't read this. Your monthly self-love ritual delivered, chasinunicorns.com. And I think this is everything that's in the box on the back, but I just can't read it. It looks like it's a zodiac series, and so it is Aries. We must be in the month of Aries. And align your business with the moon. So follow the link, and this looks like socialgranola.com. Not sure what that goes to, but it probably goes to something in the box. Hi, we're Drive-Through, a guided journaling app that helps you drive through what you go through. So something that you can put on your phone. But I must say, sorry, I'm just itching. This box smells amazing. As soon as I took it out of the mailer, it just like smelled up my whole house here. There's something in here that smells delicious. I'm not sure if it's this. This is, and of course, I got my favorite things that are getting all over the house. Bamboo Lyocell eye mask. Ooh. Oh, it could be this, or it could be it was laying on something, but it smells good. So this is the eye mask, and of course you'll have to excuse the unpainted nails. And made with 100% organic bamboo lyocell sheep. The sheep aren't included. Okay, this box is going back. No sheep. But look at how, so it's gel, so I'm assuming maybe you put it in the refrigerator and then on your eyes. Let's see if it's on the card. Vegan Silk 5 More Minutes Sleep Mask. It is crafted from 100% organic bamboo lyocell fabric. This incredibly soft and lightly cushioned sleep mask sits softly against your face to block out light for uninterrupted rest. Okay, will also keep your eyes cool without irritating your skin and rubbing your eyelashes. So here we go. Just remember, guys, there's no sheep included. Now this does not have, oh, it does have prices. It retails for $20. And the next thing is, it says thank you. And it's got my favorite bubble wrap. Hope you guys are all doing well. I think it's just, what, a few more days and then we can maybe get out of our houses. Not sure. Waiting for the go-ahead. This is by Leafy, Brana, turmeric, and ginger. 15 servings. I just can't talk. This is the Leafy Organics Turmeric and Ginger Tincture. It retails for $20. The most effective and best tasting turmeric supplement. Experience the benefits of turmeric like never before. Turmeric may be the most effective nutritional supplement in existence. Over 6,000 medical studies show that it has major benefits for your body, brain, and 1PF, nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory superfood. Okay, I have to claim some ignorance. I have seen that word tincture before and not sure what it is. So I'm going to have to Google it. So we have that. Maybe it's this that smells. Hello. This is a Creamsicle Aries limited edition crystal vanilla orange swirl. And I'm thinking it's soap. It is the limited edition Creamsicle Crystal Bombar. It retails for $15. And you are to use it as a meditation bath soak to calm the go-getter mind of Aries, as a full exfoliating body bar to be used on body to remove and buff out skin. Okay, I wish you guys can smell. You can smell him. Did I tell you how much it was? Yeah, it's $15, but he smells, he smells delish. And then we have, okay, it looks like it's a crystal. First I thought it was a pill, and I'm like, okay then. But it looks like a crystal. I'm not really sure what you do with it. It's so tiny, and I do have a little dish that I got in one of my boxes, and I put all the crystals that I get in boxes in there. And it is the blue arganite crystal point, and it's worth $21. This crystal is great to resonate with your heart and throat, carrying a joyful, optimistic, and comforting vibration. Can help assist in becoming more compassionate in dealing with other people, which is great for Aries who love to build community and are uncomplicated and direct with their approach. Okay, so this little thing is gonna help you guys. So it will be going in my little dish. And the last thing is a candle, and it's Spirit of the Herbs, lavender and rose, and it's a massage candle. So while you're getting a massage, somebody was asking, was it somebody, I was watching Life of a City Girl, Alex, and somebody asked her, because I think she was saying something about it smelled like a massage room, and somebody asked her how they could get a candle in that smell. And this smells like that. Whoa. So, but it's got stones in it, and it smells super, super good. It does smell like you're walking into a spa. Not that I've been in one lately, but wow. That smells good. And this is the Spirit of the Herbs massage candle, and it retails for $15. Light each candle with the intention and enjoy the subtle aroma that fills the room. When the candle becomes liquid, it can safely be used on the skin for deep moisturizing and nourishing support. Perfect for uplifting your skin and spirit. Okay, so when this melts, you put it on your skin. I'm not too sure about that one, but I'm thinking if you were to melt this and put it on your skin, maybe it goes with our guy here. Maybe that's what an Aries kind of does, not sure. But leave in the comments below. I got the great smelling candle, or this candle, the soap, and this thing that I have to check in, the superfood, and the mask. So I got, and my stone. So I got 5 items in here for the price that I'm going to leave, and it is 20, 35, 55, 60, 70. So it's almost $100 worth of products. Let me know what you think of this box. If it was something you would get. If it's something I should reorder. It seemed fun. I will probably use everything. Not sure if I'll pour hot wax on my skin. So you guys stay safe, and as always, have an awesome day.